Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to talk about vibe coding using Canva. Now, Canva has come up with this amazing feature called Canva AI, where you can vibe code a website, in fact, the entire front end and back end in minutes, if not seconds. What you see right now on my screen is the Canva interface. You have your designs here, you have templates, you have Canva AI. So in Canva AI, you need to just type what do you want to create. So let's say I want to create an ERP for a stockist of oil products, or let's say of engine oil products. Yeah, engine oil products. Please make as many features available as possible. So it's like prompting any LLM. You just create a prompt and I need the code also. So I'll just click on the code here and you could add files and other things for reference. You can also insert Word documents and things like that. But right now we won't do that. I will just click on this. So once you start clicking, you will find that it will start coding for you. Right now it's saying thinking, I'll create a comprehensive ERP system for engine oil, stockist business, and so on. So here the code writing has begun, right? So you see an HTML here, it will create the entire website, okay? While it creates that, I've already created that before, so I'll show you what the output is like. The output is like this. So if you go to the dashboard, you have the total revenue, you have total orders, you have total products, and it has also created a recruitment tab here. And you could also do online test wherein the potential recruitment candidate, a potential candidate can also write a test and you could classify that candidate into particular category as to which kind of role, which kind of profile that person will suit. So let's go to the products page here. I can add a product, product name, product code, and I can save it. It will show it here. Then I can look at the accessories. See, it has created the categories on its own. Engine oil, lubricants, filters, additives, and so on. Whether it is active or inactive, status is there. You can search products from there. Similarly, you could also add orders here, create order, date, delivery date, payment method, cash card, UPI, payment status, and the total amount will be visible. It also adds 18% of GST here. So this will also be visible. Potentially, you could also have payments enabled here, but right now I'm not showing that. It's just a demo. I have also a tab for recruitment where I could enter the details of the candidates I've interviewed, name, email, phone, experience, education, whatever you want, and skills assessment. Where do you rate that candidate on communication on a scale of 1 to 10 and so on. Overall score will be shown here. Interviewer name, application status, comments, and you can save that. And all this will be saved in a folder within Canva. You could also export that or download that to your system or to your network. And they've also included, I asked another question in the prompt. I said, I need an online test. Okay. So suppose I want to take a test. This is the earlier test I took. I'll say take another test and I give my name. Let's say I give now Ajay. I give the same email ID. How do you handle customer complaints? I say I transfer to supervisor or another department. Then when adopting new technology or software, I prefer training sessions. Your approach to solving complex business problems, try common solutions. In team projects, you typically focus on completing my assigned tasks efficiently. So there are only 5 questions, and you would have noticed the questions are on communication, technical, analytical, teamwork, and leadership. You could change questions, you could specify, you could upload a Word document with all the questions that you want for all the areas you want. You could have as many questions as possible. Once you submit this test, this is for the candidate, right? So right now it's not showing me the results, but I did that earlier and it is showing me 8.4 out of 10. Now the reason there is because I've used the same email ID, it's not taking the result. Now I could delete it and redo it. Okay. So now this was made in hardly a minute or two, and you could add as many functionalities as possible. Now, the good thing about it is you could publish it on your own server, or you could publish it using a default URL which is given by Canva. So it won't be in your name, it will have some Canva name attached to it. So if you see here, it says Avikal Fuloria mycanva.site and servo stock ERP product catalog. So this way you could wipe code an ERP solution, the entire ERP solution. This is kind of great. I hope you liked the video. I'll stop here. Thank you.